How to use Afterpay on Amazon. So this is the only way. And first you need to go search for Afterpay gift cards, and I'm gonna show you why you have to do this instead of going into the website. So search for Afterpay gift cards and click on the first link right here. And basically if we search directly from within the Afterpay website, it will not show us the option for Amazon. So after you're taken to this page, you want to scroll down until you see Amazon's logo and click on it. And basically it will tell us that we have to get a gift card. So download this application by scanning the QR code. So you're able to purchase an Amazon gift card. So once you purchase an Amazon gift card, then you can use it when you check out from the Amazon website. And that way you have essentially used Afterpay with Amazon. So that was the only way that I managed to find out that actually works. So leave a like and sub if this helped you out. I will see you next time.